different worlds. And I was a product of a love that never should have been.
We could unite our worlds one day.
A son of the land and the son of the seas.
My mother always knew you were special.
You are part of something deeper. You are the bridge between land and sea. Take your rightful place as king.
We're getting close now.
Oh yeah? Close to what? Dying of thirst? There's no way Atlanteans were this far inland.
Check this place out.
This is badass!
It's real. Nothing.
Show off. I could have just peed on it.
In this trident resides the power of Atlantis. If you seek my power, journey beyond the edge of the world to the hidden sea. In the wrong hands, it would bring destruction. But in the hands of the true heir, it will unite all our kingdoms, above and below. Hey, wait!
What?
Should we have written it down first?
I memorized it. Didn't you?
Oh, yeah, totally.
What did you just say?
Something trident.
The beast has awakened. The time has come for Atlantis to rise again. Who the hell are you?
That was awesome.